Let's learn this Cavetown featuring Tessa Violet called Smoke Signals. The capo on the 4th fret. I saw a bunch of videos where Cavetown is playing with the capo on the 4th fret. Alright, yeah, and a lot of the chords we're going to be doing are not even, like what you would typically learn. A lot of it is open strings with changing the root note, like C. This is a C major 7. This is like just like a B note over G. Okay, so that's what we're going to be learning. Okay, the intro starts out open 2-3 on the A string. Then we go to the 3rd fret on the G string, and we place our D string. We play it at the 2nd. It's like a D. It's like a G over an E chord. And it goes to that B over G. And then so all together it's like okay, you can think of this as a E sus going to it. Just play the top 4 strings. You got your index on G, 1st fret, and then your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, and the D, and you just play D to high E. All right, that's the intro, and then we play that B over G for the beginning of the verse. I know, freak. Go to C major 7. Bend it up. Then you go to an A power chord. You're just playing the D string at the 2nd fret and your A string. And you end up on that same one I showed you before, where you play just the top 4 strings. Looks like Cavetown is playing it up here. So that's at the 7 up from the capo for the A string. You bar 7-7 on A and D, and then you do kind of like a staggered C shape on 6 and 7, or you play it here. Either way, same notes. And then we go back to the B. This is the verse. Then we go to the chorus. When you are ready, when you are ready, I left the gate unlocked till I'm 7 now. You can do a lot with a capo and a bunch of open strings. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for that request. Bye bye.